Continuing coverage tonight, nearly 2,000 people showed up at the East Texas Food Bank's distribution this morning in Longview, numbers they haven't seen since the beginning of COVID. Our Jesus Martinez was there to share some of the stories of those who were left without power and were forced to throw away their food.
Car after car, as far as the eye could see.
We're prepared to serve about 1,700 families.
And volunteers by the dozen.
Thank you. Have a good day.
All here because they were left in the dark without food as storms knocked out power for thousands.
We're trying to attempt to restore those groceries for them.
I lost all my food with the power outage.
Like Lynette Burks, many have a common story here.
When the power went out, I lost all my food. So I just come and these ladies too to help make up for that.
My whole refrigerator is gone. I had about $200 worth of meat, like chicken, pork chops, ground meat, and then milk for my son. And it devastated me.
Devastating, like the heat that left many without AC and the dangerously hot temperatures.
About 3.5 days.
But I had my grandkids and their 2 kids living in my little tiny house, and their power didn't come on until Tuesday.
Britt Lucas had her 1-year-old with her when the power went out, but counts her blessings thanks to good friends.
It was brutal, but it was also a blessing because one of my husband's coworkers, she let us come in and stay with her.
The East Texas Food Bank also lending a helping hand by restocking East Texans' refrigerators.
What cantaloupe?
Cantaloupes, watermelons, and broccoli, just some of the items that will alleviate the financial burden of many families as they try to recover.
It's just less stuff that I need to get for my fridge, and God bless these people that are doing this for us, because if it wasn't for them, we would be struggling.
In Longview.
Okay, thank you. Have a good day.
Jesus Martinez, CBS 19.